should look familiar from yesterday because it is the exact same thing. And yesterday we talked about everything's place because every number has a place. But today we're going to shift gears a little bit and talk about the value. What is the value of each number? Okay? So, let's look at an easy number to start with. Okay? If I start with the 3, remember, from right to left, I have 3 ones. All that means is I have 3 of those little tiny cubes. Okay? So what is the value of those 3 little tiny cubes? Yeah, it's 3. Okay? Now, what about the 1? So this is in the 1's place. This is in the 10's. So that 1 is telling me, let me get a different shape. 3 is telling me 1 of those rods. Well, how much is that rod worth? Yeah, 10. So this 1 is equal to 10. All right, I'm going to change up our number today, but as you can see, it's the same thing we've already done. Okay, I'm going to move this down and move my arrow down so I have some drawing space. All right, our number today is going to be 234. So, from right to left, how many 1s do I have? 4. Whoops. Let me undo. All right. How many 1s, 10s do I have? I have 3. Okay. How many 100s do I have? 2. Okay. So now we have to think, how much is that 2 worth? Okay, well, let's picture those bigger squares, right? Okay, if this is 100 and you have 2 of them, that 2 is worth 200. Okay, let's look at the 10s. You have 3 groups of 10. So that means you have 3 rods, right? 3 groups of 10. How much is that worth? 10, 20, 30. It's worth 30. And you have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much is that worth? Well, that's simple. That's just 4. So I want you to practice and get comfortable with figuring out what place each number is in and then how much it's worth.